Okay, folks, we can be looking at the different types of loops. In fact, to begin with, give me the 3 different types of loops. Okay, you should have 4. Repeat. And while. So, give me an example, any example you want, of a for loop. Give me an example of a repeat loop. And give me any example you want of a while loop. Go. Okay, so mine's going to be for I in range 0 to 4. I'm going to do number equals int input blah blah enter number, and I'm going to do a total up here. Then I do total equals num plus total, and then print total. That'll be an example of my for loop, my repeat loop. I'm going to do it in pseudocode. So, repeat until count equals 4. Input number total equals total plus count equals count plus 1, and then outputs count. And finally, while loop. I'm going to do that in pseudocode as well. Let's do while. In fact, let's just undo that for a second. Let's have score equals 0. Let's have a input score. While score does not equal 4, do. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. Let's just undo. Total equals total plus score input score and while output score. This should be an actual and previous one, output total. So I've given 3 different examples, my own made up examples of each loop. So what next? So why would I? So what would be my choice for using a for loop? What would be my reason? Well, my reason would be, oops, that isn't my reason. And now I can't zoom in. Whatever. Let's do it down here. So my reason for a for loop is to count, or actually is to repeat a section of code a set number of times. Nice and simple. That'd be my why would I use this loop? Why do I make this choice to use a for loop? So why would I use a repeat loop? To run a certain section of code at least one time. Remember, the condition for a repeat loop is that we enter as post-condition. So why did I make a choice to use a while loop? Well, that's easy. As the condition is at the beginning, I may not need to run a part of the code. So I may not need to run a part of the code. So in this example, CIE they type 4 in as a score. So in my made-up example, if we type in the score here, 4, this while loop will not run, because this will only run while score doesn't equal 4. So I've given my own examples for each loop. This loop, this loop, and this loop. Now I have given my own examples. I've given a reason for why I made that choice to use this loop, why I made this choice to make this loop, and this loop.